Good evening, Sriram. Okay, good evening, all of you. Good evening,
Good evening,
Sriram.
sir.
Kritika, good evening. Madhu, good evening. Sri Shivani, good evening. You can show your homeworks.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sriram. So who can show your homeworks? I'm seeing from Shivani and Kritika. I'm going to see this Shivani's work. Okay, clouds are very nice. I see the reflection of the clouds also. Is it? This is a classwork and you missed it and you have done it, right? So, okay, good. So we used white or okay, paper has torn off when lifting. That's okay. So that's how it happens. And after some experience, it will not happen. But for the shallow water in the sea, you have to mix little bit of green also. Little bit of green also you have to mix it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Good work. Good work. Okay. Here is the homework. So in the homework, in the shallow water, there is a green mixed. So it is looking very good. So all the people and the clouds are looking good. Okay, good work, Shivani. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. So I'm going to see from Kritika. Okay, Kritika is showing very nice. This is I have in my work itself. I have done very loose. So you can do loose. See, look at. I see that in the distant sea, water is running around here and there. So that is looking good actually. You know. So in watercolor, that looks good. Okay, so I like this. It is looking very loose and looks very good. Good work, Kritika.
Thank you, sir.
You can add more people. Okay, they can have fun. Good work. Okay, Sriram is showing now. Okay, Sriram, this is looking little light, but it is okay. So in the watercolor, we do it very light. Okay, so and if required, then we make it dark. So it is looking good. Sky is also looking good. Okay, good work, Sriram. Looks good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, good to see your homeworks. Any other homeworks? Mukund, do you have the homework? Okay.
No, sir. I was doing my classwork because I didn't join the last class, so I couldn't do the homework.
If you are interested, you can do it. I have sent the video also. So try to do it, then only you can increase the skills. So Madhu generally does not do it. So I request you to do it so that you get good experience. Okay, so let's start today's class. Okay, here is my paper. So as usual, I'm trying to make the border around so that it is easy for me to fit in the camera. You don't have to do this. Okay, maybe I'll keep it like this. I'll adjust the camera. Okay, we are going to make some fruits. Okay, it is called, I mean, still life. Okay, so it's an easy way to learn watercolor. Making one edge soft. So that technique we are going to use it today. So as usual, I'm going to have a table and the two fruits will be kept in the table and one will be hanging. There is going to be an apple and there is a pears. There is going to be another pomegranate. So these three fruits I'm going to draw. So, so let me make a line as usual. I'm just making a line. So this is not in the middle, little below the middle. Some So I just made this line. Okay, now I'm going to make apple here. Um, so making lighter line, very light. I am starting with this kind of circle for the apple. Okay, so this kind of circle for the apple. Apple is kept on the table. Um, so in the bottom, so I'm just making this simple curve. Okay. So I did this simple curve, then I'm trying to connect this to the right side. Okay, so then connecting this curve to the left side. So now you can get the shape of the apple. Then after that, some small adjustment. So in the bottom, this curve, then little bit it goes inside. Okay, little bit it goes inside like this. I have corrected. So in the top also looks very much bulky. So there also, so I can reduce we can reduce the height like this. Look at this. So I'm reducing the height like this. So You have to observe how we simplify, how we get to the shape that we want from the basic shapes. So I'll make another small curve here, curve and a small stem-like thing. Erase unwanted lines. This line I'm erasing, and there is a line which is going inside this apple. Okay, so this line is a double line, so I'm erasing it. I'm going to draw smooth, clean, single line. The line going in the middle also I've erased it. So now I can still see this. So I make clean, smooth, simple, and single line. Okay, sometimes I lose the focus. Okay, now I got back the focus. Okay, so in the same way, so here it is resting, touching uh, the table. So here I'm trying to the same level, at the same level, I'm trying to make another circle, but this time it is going to be pierce. So I'm making another circle here. So I made another circle which is lighter. So here I'm making a simple curve. Okay, so in the top, so making a simple curve like this. Okay, so now I'm making pierce. Okay, then after that is very easy. Just connect. Just connect in the left side. I'm connecting. So in the right side also, I'm just connecting. So it simply looks like a pierce. So in the top, I can add a small stick-like thing. In the bottom, little bit, I can make it like a flat one. Then I can erase the unwanted lines. Also, if you have this double line, so you can erase that also. Then you can try to have a clean and smooth line. So in the middle, in the top, so I'm going to make the pomegranate, and that is going to be hanging from the tree. So for that, I can draw the basic shape. All the basic shape are like circles only. So this is the basic shape. It is hanging from the tree, so something like this. A stem I can draw. Then I'll draw the leaves. Now just start with this basic shape. Then we'll shape it up. So in the pomegranate, the edges are little straight actually. So that is what I'm going to do. Like we do hexagon or pentagon, something like that. So I'm going to make this few areas straight like this. Look at this. So this is how we can shape it up. And also there is a shape in the bottom. So I can make this shape. So look at this shape. So now it looks like pomegranate. Then I'll add some leaves here. So I'll add a couple of leaves in the other side also. Maybe one more here also. Okay, so we are done with the sketching. Next, we need to color. Show me your sketch when completed.
Sir.
Yes, Sriram.
Now, Mr. Sir.
ஓகே, என்ன எல்லாம் ஒரு ஒரு மூலையில இருக்கு. கொஞ்சம் பெருசா போட்டுக்கலாமே ஆப்பிள்லாம்.
Okay, sir.
இதுக்குள்ள கலர் எல்லாம் போடணும் நம்ம. சோ அதனால பெருசா இருக்கணுமே.
Okay, sir. கொஞ்சம் பெருசா மாத்திடுறேன் sir.
ஆப்பிள் மாத்திரம் பெருசா போடுங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட். ஓகே.
Okay, sir.
So general, when we draw, so you have to give importance to the proportions also. Okay, how big we are drawing, what is the place we are drawing. Okay, Shivani has done very nice. Look at this. So good, Shivani. Very good. Very good. Good work. Good work.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm seeing from Kritika also. Okay, nice, Kritika. Looks good. Where is the apple? Apple is looking very light. Ah, okay. I see that now. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah. Okay, so I think we can start coloring.
Sir, give me a minute. I just finish real quick.
Okay.
சார் நான் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துல முடிச்சிடுறேன் சார்.
Okay.
சார்
Yes, Sriram.
finish பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
Sure, okay. Now it is looking better.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's start. Okay, Madhu. Okay, so now let's do. I'm going to paint for apple. What? So you have to observe. You should not do anything. Okay, you just have to observe. So here we have to make one edge soft. So like that. So in the last class we did. So like that, and wet on wet, like that I'm going to do. So I'm just picking up a brush. Okay, so number 7, 5 or 7 you can take. So that could be number 6 also fine. So I'm picking number 6 brush. So I told you, no questions, just wait. Okay, so I'm mixing, just observe. Okay, so you reserve your questions in the end because I need to do it quickly. So I'm taking some yellow. Okay, so I'm taking some more yellow and mixing with red so that I get orange. Okay, so a little bit of red also I mix it. I get orange. Then red also. This is pure red. Red also. So all with a little bit of dilution. Then shadow. We have to create a shadow color. For the shadow color, this is red I'm taking. Okay, then along with the red, little bit of blue I'm trying to mix it, dark blue. Okay, this dark, I told you dark blue or dark brown, when you mix with the colors, they become darker. And you can use that for shadow color. So here dark blue, I'm trying to mix it. Little bit I mixed and it is looking a little darker. Now this red looks a little darker. So these colors are ready. Okay, so just observe, keep observing. So I'm going to start with this yellow color. Okay, so I'm applying here actually. So there is a light highlight I'm planning like this. Okay, so this is highlight. Here is going to be some highlight. And this yellow color I'm applying like this. Okay, now I take this orange overlap. Okay, so the orange I'm applying here. So this orange comfortably I'm applying this orange. Okay, now I'm taking this red. Okay, so red I'm applying here. Keep observing. It's going to be over in a minute. So I'm taking this red. Okay, now shadow color I'm going to apply. This is the shadow color. The shadow color, I expect some shadows here actually. Look at this, that's it. If you see that I'm not mixing much, right? Okay, that is all. That's all, the apple is done. So now with a clean wet brush, okay? So you have to, excess water, you would remove it in the cloth. I'm cleaning it. My cloth, I'm just removing excess water. It's a clean brush. So this edge, right? You have to maintain the white. I'm just making this soft. Look at this. I just made this place soft. Again, I'm cleaning the brush. Now I'm going to do one lifting also. This side, I wanted to make it look light. So I'm going to, this is clean brush. I'm just lifting this color a little bit. Go clean again. Go clean again. Excess water, remove it. Lift it again. That's all. Okay. Apple is done. Okay, just do it and show me. Ask me any questions if you have now. So I started with this yellow, then a little bit of orange, then red I applied, then red plus blue. So that is for the shadow that I applied. So the finally, a little bit of lifting also I've done now. Okay, so I was not mixing any color here actually. All the colors are mixed in the palette. Then just you need to apply it and get this effect. Maybe one more thing I'll do, okay, is that here I'll make a little dark. Trying to apply dilute red. I'm trying to apply a little bit there. Then go clean the brush, make the edge soft. So it looks like there is a depth. Okay, so I'm done. Do it. Ask me any questions if you have. So we are going to do the pears next, then pomegranate we are going to do. Then we'll do the table, we'll do the background. So many things we have to do. And shadow for these fruits or in the table also we'll do.
சார்
Yes.
சார் நான் finish பண்ணிட்டேன் சார் பட் அந்த ரெட் அண்ட் ப்ளூ போட்டீங்கல சார்
ஆமா.
ஆனா எனக்கு அது நீங்க 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 பண்ண கலர்ல வந்து வரல சார் ப்ளூ டார்க்கா வந்துருச்சு சார்.
அப்ப ப்ளூ கம்மியா மிக்ஸ் பண்ணனும். ப்ளூ கம்மியா பரவாயில்லை ஆக்சுவலா பரவாயில்லை. இட்ஸ் ஓகே. ஷோ மீ. இல்லைனா ரொம்ப வெட்டா இருந்தா அது கொஞ்சம் ட்ரை ஆகட்டும் அதுக்கப்புறம் காமிக்கலாம். காமிக்க முடிஞ்சா காமிங்க.
சார் ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார். ஆனா நான் அந்த கலர் பண்ணல சார். அந்த பாலெட்லயே பாக்கும்போது ரொம்ப டார்க்கா தெரிஞ்சிச்சு சார்.
சரி சரி சரி. அதுல கொஞ்சம் ரெட் அதிகமா மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார். சார் நான் finish பண்ணிட்டேன் சார் இப்போ.
ஓகே காமிங்க. காமிக்க முடிஞ்சா காமிங்க இல்லைன்னா ரொம்ப டைலூட்டா இருந்தா அதுக்கப்புறமே. ஓகே so I'm seeing it. ஓகே நல்லா இருக்கு ஸ்ரீராம். ஸோ அந்த ஆரஞ்சு வெட்டா இருக்கும் போதே அப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எல்லோ போட்டுட்டு எல்லோ பக்கத்துல அப்படியே வெட்டா இருக்கும் போதே ஆரஞ்சு போடணும். ஓகே அப்பதான் அது வந்து சாஃப்டா மிக்ஸ் ஆகும். ஓகே.
ஓகே
even
சார்.
now even now simple wet brush வச்சுட்டு excess water வந்து clothல remove பண்ணிட்டு அந்த பவுண்டரியில டச் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த ஆரஞ்சு அண்ட் இல்லைன்னா ரெட் அண்ட் yellow பவுண்டரியில டச் பண்ணி you can make it soft. Try making it soft.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகே, சாஃப்ட் பண்ணிட்டு காமிங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
Okay, Madhu has done very nice. Okay, looks good, Madhu. Very nice. The colors mixing and gradients all are good. Lifting அந்த அளவுக்கு ஒர்க் ஆகல. ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு. ஷேப் ஆஃப் த ஆப்பிள் கீழ ரொம்ப ஷார்ப்பா இருக்கு. ஆக்சுவலா it has to be soft and small. Otherwise, colors are mixed very nicely. Good work, Madhu. So don't worry. So சிலது தப்பானா it is all right. It is going to be good. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. Sriram, nicely done. Good work. This is how we blend it. Very beautiful. Looks very, very good.
ஓகே சார்.
Good work. So அடுத்து ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீ குயிக்கா வந்து இத பிரஸ் பண்ணிடுறியா ஸ்ரீராம்? மேக் த பியர்ஸ் பிகர். ரொம்ப குட்டியா இருக்கு, ரைட்?
ஓகே சார்.
குயிக்கா erase பண்ணிட்டு இந்த சைஸ் பெருசு பண்ணிரு.
சார் அந்த கீழ உள்ள பல்ஜ்டு பிளேஸ் மட்டுமா சார்?
ஆமா ஆமா, இந்த பல்ஜ் மாத்திரம் பெருசு பண்ணனும், அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகே.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகே, குட் குட்.
சார்.
ஓகே, சோ அடுத்து பண்ணலாமா? சோ சிவானி, கிருத்திகா, Mukund all can show. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Take your time. So watercolor is really an easy and exciting medium. Only dilution matters actually. Sometimes we have to dilute more, sometimes we have to dilute less. But you need to practice a little bit so that it gets more easier. So Mukund, what happened to the highlight? Okay, the yellow highlight காணோம். ரொம்ப சின்ன பிரஷ் வச்சு பண்ணாதீங்க. It might take time. So you have to use the correct brush. Okay, number 5, 6 or 7. So such a brush I'm using. Then you can do it easily. It should not take much time. Because we are using wet on wet. Before it dries, you have to do quickly. Then only it spreads nicely. Okay, I'm seeing from Shivani. Okay, Shivani, nice. So the red and the darker color also nice. Okay, good. Little bit you missed the highlight, but it's all right actually. But still I can see the gradient and it is looking good. Fine. So the next work when we do, you can correct it. You can try to maintain the white highlight in the next work. Okay, so yeah, it needs some experience. So it is looking good. Fine, good work. So I had to see from Kritika. Kritika, have you completed? Okay, looks good, Kritika. Looks good, very nice. Depth, darker color also very nice. Okay, everything is good. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So next we are going to do the pears. Pears we are going to do the green, yellow, green, then dark green. Only 3 colors. So as I told already, so I'm going to mix and keep the colors ready. So here is my yellow. Yellow is already ready. Then this is my green. Green with little diluted, so that is also ready. Then there is some more green I want to mix with blue and make it darker. Okay, so this green I'm taking, putting it here. I'm going to mix a little bit of blue, dark blue, taking some dark blue and mixing it with it, creating darker green. Okay, so now yellow and then normal green, then darker green. These are ready. So this green I am mixing with water and diluting, and okay, so these things are ready with me. So now I'm going to do so here I'm planning for 2 highlights, one in the top and one here also. So here is my yellow. So I'm going to start with the yellow. Observe now. And you have to do quickly actually. So okay, then only this wet on wet will happen. Should not give too much of time to settle. See, look at this. So I'm applying this yellow nicely, and here there is a highlight area. Okay, so then one more highlight area I'm trying to, smaller one in the top. Okay, then I'm continuing my work with the green. I'm touching the green, so a little bit, this is already in a dilute form, so it is touching here and it is nicely mixing and spreading. You see this? Nicely it is mixing and spreading. Then quickly I'm covering. So look at the amount of time I take. I'm just covering all this area and quickly, so still it is wet. When it is wet, now I have to apply this dark green. So this dark green I'm taking, just look at this. Dark green I'm applying like this. That's all, it's over actually. Okay, just start doing it. There is a gap and this looks like another kind of highlight. It is over actually. A little bit I touch here also. It is over. Now I can clean the brush and excess water must be removed, touching in the cloth. Now I'm going to touch this white portion and make it soft. Okay, so you have to be careful not to lose the white portion. So the excess water to be removed. Without excess water only you can do it. Now brush does not have water. Look at this nicely. I'm just blending it. Okay, I'm not losing the white. Okay, so I can go clean it. This it has a lot of excess water. Okay, so that you have to touch it and remove it. After that, you just touch it nicely in the edge. Then that becomes very soft. Okay, so now so look at this. This has become very soft, but still I'm maintaining the white. Right, so I can do the same here. Okay, it is very soft and still okay. The white still I'm maintaining white. Okay, you have to practice and you can get it actually. No problem. So start doing it. The colors, we know what colors we are going to use. We have to prepare and keep it ready. Then use it. When you are using, you can use it fast. You have to be very clear and use it quick. So wet on wet works very beautifully. So I want to do it this one a little quicker. Then we can move on to the pomegranate. We have to make the table, then the background, the leaves, all of that we have to make it. Maybe after making the pomegranate, then I'll make the other things quickly. Okay, very good, Shivani. Dark green என்னாச்சு? Dark green போடணுமே. Dark green with the blue mix, dark blue mix பண்ணா you get dark green. அதுமே touch பண்ணா then it will look good. But this is far better actually. It is really good.
This green, and there's another green too,
Okay.
darker, I guess.
Oh, okay. But it's not looking darker actually, right? So you need to mix dark blue to that, then it will immediately it will become darker actually.
Sir, can I change now?
Do it. You can do it now again. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Just mix a little bit of dark blue and it's going to be good. Do one stroke. Maybe the edge you can make it soft. Okay, Madhu, looks good. So I see the dark blue also. Okay, looks good. White, you should not apply white. Did you applied white?
No, I didn't. So the camera is a little blurry.
Okay. Okay, fine. Looks good. Yeah. Okay, this is very good, Kritika. You got it. You're looking very good. Yellow and light green, dark green. So everything is looking good. Looking good. And the shape, மேல பாருங்க அந்த shape வந்து ஸ்மூத்தா அப்படி இருக்கணும் actually. அந்த shapeல looks like when you apply colors, looks like there is some issue, but it's okay. It's all right. It is okay. But colors you have applied correctly. Very nice. So Sriram, what happened? Sriram and Mukund.
Sir,
Okay. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு ஸ்ரீராம். சரி, ஓகே, குட்.
சார் ஆனா மேல உள்ள அந்த ஹைலைட் மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் குட்டியாயிருச்சு சார்.
பரவாயில்ல. அப்புறம் இந்த போடும்போது இந்த எட்ஜஸ்ல எல்லாமே கிளீனா இருக்கிற மாதிரி பண்ணணும் ஆக்சுவலா, வெளியே வராம. ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு. இட் இஸ் ஆல் ரைட். Okay, now you got the depth, Shivani. It is good. Okay, very good. Looks good. But second time, when you do it second time, so it's a problem actually. Generally, in the first time, நம்ம கரெக்டா பண்ணிட்டா ஈஸியா இருக்கும். I see that there is a clear edge around the yellow thing, right? Sharp edge. அது அந்த sharp edge வரக்கூடாது. but it's all right actually. It is all right. Okay, but we got the depth, so that is a good thing. Okay, good. Okay, so let's do. Is it Mukund ready? Showing. Okay, looks like he's not showing. So we'll go to the pomegranate now. Pomegranate kondu not much. I mean, we are not having the yellow, the only light red. Okay, the normal red, then dark red. Okay, the only red varieties we are going to have for the pomegranate. So kind of, I think I already have it. So I already have it. So make sure this is my light red. This is my normal red. Light red means it is more what diluted. So this is normal red. This one is little darker red. That is mixed a little bit of blue also mixed. So it is little darker. Okay. So now I'm going to do just observe. So here, yes.
சார் நீங்க என்ன கலர்ல அதுக்கு மிக்ஸ் பண்ணீங்க சார்?
நீ வெயிட் பண்ணு, நீ இப்ப ஒன்னும் பண்ணாத, பாரு. நான் கடைசில கேட்கும்போது நான் சொல்லும்போது அப்ப கேளு actually. Okay, just wait.
Okay சார்.
Just observe now actually. So now the light red I'm taking. So but the edge is going to be இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் dark பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, now this edge, so it's going to be bigger one actually. Look at this. Okay, so I need to do it. Okay, so now light red I'm applying, now darker red or normal red I'm applying, now applying clean in the edges. See, so like this I can apply clean. So in the bottom I'll come back little later. Okay, so now I'm taking the darker thing and somewhere here I want this to be darker, so here I applied maybe a touch of darker thing here. Okay, so I'm done with this. I will do some lifting here also, little bit of lifting here also. Okay, so I have done that. Now I am going to it's a wet brush, clean brush, excess water removed. Okay, so now I'm going to make this one soft, making it this one soft. Okay, okay, so I have completed this. I made it soft. Now, so I need to take a smaller brush and fill up this area clearly. That what is the color? It's a regular red color. Okay, now you can start doing it. Now ask me if you have a question. So we did all in one color, red only. So dilute red, normal red, darker red.
சார்.
Yes, Sriram.
சார் இல்ல சார், எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க லைட்டா கலர் கொடுத்தீங்கல சார், ரெட் கலர்.
ஆமா.
அது எப்படி கொடுத்தீங்க சார்? கொஞ்சம் வாட்டர் நல்லா மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி கொடுத்தீங்க.
அதுக்கு பேர் தான் dilute red. I said dilute red. Dilute redனா என்ன அர்த்தம்?
சார் லைட்டா இருக்கு சார்.
அதான் dilutionனா என்ன பண்றது? You have to add more water, right? அதான் dilution. Dilutionனா அதானே?
ஆமா சார்.
அதான் dilute red. அப்படின்னா தண்ணி நிறைய ஆட் பண்ணி இருக்கிறது ரெட் தான் dilute red. clean brush. So again, I'm just trying to just blending it and avoiding the edge. Sometimes even if edge irundhalum nalla irukum, but here I don't want the edge. So dilute red, normal red, then darker red. The darker red, add a blue to it. So do it quick. So this is an easy thing, do it quick. Then I have to do the table top. So there is a dark brown, light brown. So I'm going to apply light brown here. So I'll just wait for you to show, then I'll do. Okay, so Mukund, you are not getting the highlight properly. So you got it better for the pears, but for the pomegranate, you got all red. So dilute red, you have to use it, right? So you have to leave a big white space. So looks like you are not clearly following the class. You are also not doing the homeworks.
சார்
Yes, Sriram.
நான் finish பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
Okay. Okay, there is some white space இருக்கு. இது நல்ல ரெட்டாவே தெரியலையே.
சார் இல்ல
சரி ஓகே கேமரா. சரி ஓகே ஓகே. ஓகே குட். நல்லா தான் இருக்கு.
ஓகே சார். சார் ஆனா அந்த கேப் நான் விட்டது வந்து பெயிண்ட் லைட்டா பட்டுருச்சு சார் உள்ள. சரி
ஓகே ஓகே.
ஓகே சார்.
சரி ஓகே பரவாயில்ல. சோ இங்க இந்த ஷேப் வரலையே இந்த டிப்ல. அது என்னாச்சு? கட் பண்ணிட்டியா?
இல்ல சார் அது கட் பண்ணல சார். அந்த டார்க் கலர் வந்து கொஞ்சம் அவுட்டர்ல வந்துருச்சு சார். நான் வந்து இப்ப
சரி ஓகே ஓகே.
கட் பண்ணிட்டு லைட்டா உங்களுக்கு காமிச்சிடுறேன்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
ஓகே சார்.
So we have a less time, so I'm going to start with a little bigger brush. Okay. So making the table is you can make this area wet first. Is it Shivani showing? Okay, Shivani, this is far better. It is looking good, but idile the dark red, dark blue to be mixed with the red for the shadow. So adu vandu it is light actually. அது கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ட்ராங்காவே போடணும், ரொம்ப டைல்யூட்டா போடக்கூடாது. அப்பதான் you get the darkness. Okay. Okay, but good work. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just taking a bigger brush. Okay, so light brown I'm going to apply for the table. So I'm just making this table surface wet. Just do it. This is a simple thing to follow. I don't have to wait. It has to dry. Those finished can start. So I'm just making the tabletop simple wet. I'm going to apply only light brown. So after finishing, do this and ask me if you have, when you are doing, ask me if you have a doubt.
Sir, I just finished my pomegranate.
Show it. So this is light brown I'm applying. Okay, looks good. You got the highlight and you got the shadow. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு. Good. Okay, start the to make the surface wet. Then there is a dark brown, light brown. So I'm applying light brown. Make the surface wet first. Then apply light brown. Use biggest brush what you have. Or number 10 also it's fine, or 12 also fine. 10 would be good. So this is my light brown I'm applying. So apply light brown. So it is straightforward. Okay, just do this. So applied light brown. It is quite loose, right? So now while it is wet, I'm going to apply dark brown also and make couple of lines. Because tabletop, look at this line, just observe only this with the dark brown while it is wet. So I'm just making couple of lines. Okay, so just I have added some 2-3 lines. This is to give the natural surface for the tabletop. Okay, that's all. Do it and ask me if you have a doubt. So I've applied light brown. I've used number 10 brush. So it has to dry. Then after that, we have to make some shadows for these fruits. And for the top, we can make light blue background, sky background in the top. Use the bigger flat brush. I've used number 10 so that easily you can fill the area. For the top, I'm going to fill light blue. Okay, so directly you can take and fill light blue. Some light blue color, I'm trying to fill it for the top. It is straightforward, simple, just filling of dilute light blue. I'm just filling. So in the bottom, it is not dried, but it is okay. I'm starting this work in the top. This is light blue. So I'm using number 10, bigger brush, so that quickly I can cover the area. So I don't worry about the leaves, because leaves are going to be a little darker.
Sir, for this sky, do we need to apply water before adding glue?
What, Shivani? So this is light blue I'm applying because I'm trying to show it as a sky or something.
Do we need to add water before adding light blue?
It is okay. You can add water, but so I'm doing quickly, so I thought it is not required. You can also add water actually, so that if you do fast, you don't have to add water. But adding water also can help. But generally in the lighter color, it is okay. It is going to be quick and faster and smooth. You don't have to add. Okay, so I'm done with this.
சார்
Yes, Sriram.
சார் நீங்க அவுட்டரா நீங்க பிளாக்கா கொடுத்தீங்க.
எங்கடா black?
இல்ல சார், நீங்க பொமகிரானட் எல்லாத்துலயும் லைட்டா பிளாக் கொடுத்த மாதிரி இருந்தது. பிரஷ் வச்சு பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தீங்களா சார்?
ஏய் இல்லடா, எங்கடா black? black வாட்டர் கலர்ல இல்லடா. black கலரே இல்ல. சும்மா அந்த எட்ஜ்ல வந்து கரெக்டா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்றதுக்காக சின்ன பிரஷ் வச்சு ஒரு கேப் இருந்ததுன்னா அந்த கேப் வந்து கரெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன் நான்.
ஓகே சார். சார்
Yes, Sriram.
finish பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
Very good. Come here.
ஓகே சார்.
லைட் ப்ளூ கலரே காணுமே, ரொம்ப லைட்டா இருக்கும். சரி ஓகே, சரி ஓகே, நைஸ் நைஸ். ஸோ அந்த கேப் எல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, இப்போ ஆப்பிளுக்கும் இந்த இதுக்கும் அந்த கேப் தான் கேர்ஃபுல்லா பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ எல்லா இடத்துலயும் கேப் இருக்கு பாரு. பியர்ஸுக்கு கேப் இருக்கு, ஆப்பிளுக்கும் கேப் இருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த எட்ஜ்லாம் மெதுவா பண்ணா கரெக்டா பண்ணலாம். பட் இட் இஸ் ஓகே, யூ ஹவ் டன் நைஸ்.
ஓகே சார்.
Okay, next we have to apply shadow color, light blue, dark blue combination, light brown, dark, no, sorry, dark blue, dark brown combination. We have to mix it for the shadow color. So that I'm going to apply for the shadow. What is shadow color? It is dark blue and dark brown. Can be more of bluish. Blue can be more dark blue and dark brown. Dark blue and dark brown can be little dilute also. So I'm going to apply this shadow color. Okay, watch this. So here is going to be the top area. And this is nicely connecting here. Shadow is coming from here. This side, look at the small curve I'm making like this. Okay, so this is the shadow color. That is all. I can just fill it. So this is dark blue and dark brown. You can add more blue in it, then shadow will look better. Okay, so there is a small stick or stem in the top, so I'm filling that also now. Okay, so here also I'm going to do, in the shadow also I'm going to do. In the same way I can do here also. For the apple also we have to do the shadow, and in the top it is going to be bulky like this. Bulky like this, and the shape comes like this. So this shape you can even, if you want, you can draw with a pencil. Then you can apply this shadow color. So I could do directly in the brush. Okay, so that is all. And the pomegranate in the top, so that is also going to leave a small shadow that is going to fall on the table. And so I'm going to fill only this space for that. The shadow caused by pomegranate over the table. So dark blue, mostly you can use dark blue, little bit of dark brown also you can mix it. So you get the shadow color. You can do this. Okay, so these are things straightforward. So I am continuing to do. So here I'm trying to fill green directly. This green I'm filling everywhere for the leaves and the stem. So I'm filling green. So you can think about, you can even make dark green also. So filled with the green. I filled with the green. Now what I'm going to do is the little bit of shadow color that I can fill it only for the stem and maybe for one side of the leaf. This leaf and this leaf. Maybe this leaf also. This shadow color I'm trying to fill it. Okay, so I'm done with this painting. So if you finish, you can show me.
சார் நான் finish பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
Okay, Kami. So now
Sir,
you.
பட் மேல மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் ட்ரை ஆகல சார்.
Sir, okay. The Kuti Brusla, I'm just adding a bird here. In Kuti Brusla, I'm making my sign. Today is 5. Five 122. Okay, so we can make some birds fly in the sky also.
Black red
Okay, show me, Sriram.
சார் இன்னும் ட்ரை ஆகல சார்.
Sir, okay, okay.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார். இப்ப காமிக்கலாம் சார்.
Okay, dark color ரொம்ப டார்க்கா இருக்கு. சரி பரவாயில்ல ஆக்சுவலா. Okay, nice, nice.
Thank you sir.
Okay, good. I'm seeing from the Kritika. Okay, looks very nice, Kritika. Background color and everything is good. So in the peers left side dark இருந்திருக்கலாம். Maybe கொஞ்சம் dilute இருந்ததுனால it looks a little lighter, but it's okay. So overall everything looks good. I like the way you have done the birds also. It's a tiny birds. That is also good, and the depth for the pomegranate also good. Everything is good. Good work. So if required, the pencil also can be used to plan the shadow. Good, you have done nicely. So this small stem or stick. So that also you can add it in the shadow. Good work. Okay, I'm seeing from Shivani now. Okay, very beautiful, Shivani. Very, very nice. Looks very beautiful. Nice work. Shadow is good. Tabletop is good. Background is good. Birds also very nice. See, look at this one bird I've drawn like this. The wings are down. So like you can do that kind of variation also. Okay, good work. Okay, I'm going to see from Madhu. Very nice, Madhu. So the pomegranate is very nice. The dark green also looks very good. The background blue is more lighter, looks like. Okay, good work. Still, I doubt the pepper. This looks a lot of wobbling, but it is okay. Okay, good work. Good work. So good work, all of you. So I'm going to show you the homework now. Okay, so it's going to be some interesting homework. So I have done this work now. We can do some splashing also. Okay, planned, not a distraction, planned fun or flow, just to create a flow. Okay, so see what I'm going to do is I'm taking this dilute, but do only with the dilute. This is dilute red. Okay, so I can make it more dilute, too much of dilution. So I can do the splashing, little bit of splashing I can do. Okay, nothing will happen to your work. Don't worry. This is too much of dilution. So, but it is going to be going to add some dynamic good feel in watercolor. Some light green also. So I'm going to do. Okay, so that is all. Okay, so that is all. Now this is going to make it look good. Okay, so the controlled splashing is very dilute actually. So once it dries, you won't see its presence, and it's going to be very light. Okay, controlled splashing, controlled spoiling, and this is going to make your work more beautiful. So that is, so I've done this for the homework also. Look at this homework. This is the homework. It's going to be capsicum. Okay, 3 colored capsicum. So the same technique what today class we have used, I've used the same, and you can do the splashing also in the end. Okay, for the shade I've used dark blue directly. Okay, so this is the homework, and not only this, and there is one more homework also, which you carefully, slowly you have to do, and you will be able to do it. So look at this golden jar and the grapes. Okay, slowly you can do it. So definitely you should be able to do it. Okay, so apply these layers and look at the highlight. There is a yellow, then there is a yellow, darker yellow. So you can check the video and it is going to be easy. Okay, yeah, 2 homework you have as usual. Okay, try your best. Yes, Sriram.
நான் வந்து நீங்க பண்ண மாதிரி ஸ்பிளாஷ் பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
பண்ணிட்டியா? சரி கம்.
அவ்வளவுதான் இருக்கு சார்.
ப்ளீஸ் ஸ்பிளாஷ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஓகே, லைட் டைல்யூட் கலர்ல தான் பண்ணனும். சரி, ஓகே, நல்லதா இருக்கு. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Thank you சார்.
ஓகே, வெரி குட். ஓகே, வேற யாராவது ஸ்பிளாஷ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா? Sir, okay. See you all in the next class. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.